Well, good morning guys. 10:26. Today we're gonna work on the 3rd gen. I got a new car cover actually for the 2nd gen, so this thing will stay protected in the winter. But as of today, we're gonna work on this thing today, and we're probably gonna do some interior stuff. Let's open this thing up. It's freezing out here. And yes, I got Crocs on. Don't come for me. But yeah, so we're probably gonna clean up this interior today. I did get a new dash cover. So I'm probably gonna take this whole dash pad off today and replace this, because this just looks like grimy. This makes the whole car look like 10 times worse. So yeah. Oh, and I also, the other day when I was driving it, I just went to get out to go to the store and I broke the door handle off on the inside. So I gotta order a new door handle from Classic Industries. It's only like 10 bucks though, so no biggie. I just gotta order it. But sheesh, I know this is a mess guys. Don't come for me, I need to clean it. All we're gonna need is some sockets, maybe an extension or two, some power tools so it goes faster. Alright, well at least I could open the door from this side. Mila, what are you doing? What you doing? There should just be a couple of bolts. It's really simple, honestly. It should just be, oh well, it looks like, what the hell? Well, they're supposed to be, I believe, 8mm like little bolts, but it looks like they put screws in here instead. But anyways, it's not a lot. There should just be like 8 or 10 bolts all under the dash under here, and then you can just take those out. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver instead. Guys, buy like cheap tools, it's not worth it. It's honestly worth buying good tools. I mean, this is like a snap-on screw gun. It just makes everything go by 10 times faster. It's expensive, but in my case, it's worth it. So let's get to work, pop these screws out, and get this dash out. And now, just like that, the whole dash should slide out. Boom. See how quick that was? That was literally like 3 minutes if I wasn't recording. But anyways, let's take this dash out and clean this thing up. That was pretty easy. And now we can see what's under here. Some cheap speakers probably. Those actually look like some kicker speakers, but it's really pretty dusty down here. There's spider webs and stuff, so I'll probably clean this up, vacuum it. And I actually think there's supposed to be another one of these stoppers supporting the dash on this side, maybe right here, but it looks like it's broken or missing. But it's fine, I'm not really tripping. So yeah, I'll probably clean this up, vacuum it, clean it all up, and then we'll go ahead and get the other dash pad. And it's actually one that clips and molds over the original dash pad. Like, I didn't buy the whole dash pad itself because that's like $400. Like, it's hella expensive for like original one or something. So I just bought the cover that kind of like, it clicks over this and it covers all of this. So it's basically brand new. It looks nice, but you're just using the original body of the dash pad. All right guys, so I got the new dash cover. Let me pull it out real quick so I can show you. So this is what I was saying when I didn't actually buy the whole pad, I just bought the cover. Let's throw this on the ground for now. So as you can see, this is like a brand new dash and everything. So it's gonna look brand new on the top. It's gonna look brand new and everything, but the core underneath it is gonna be the same like body of it basically. I'm actually gonna try to just test fit this for now, just because I want to kind of see how well it's gonna fit with it being so like messed up. Didn't even take anything off yet, I didn't even clean it, but it already looks 10 times better. So I'm gonna pop the new one back off, clean up the old one, and then I also saw some other guy on YouTube. He cut out the holes for the speaker on the original one, because as you can see, this already has the holes on the new one, and he cut them out so that way you can hear the speakers better, because there'll just be twice as much restriction from the speakers underneath trying to come through. So I'm gonna probably do that. But anyways guys, that's basically what I'm trying to do, is cut out a hole for the speaker, because this one already has a hole, or this one already has cutouts for it, like little holes. So that's basically what I was just trying to do, so the speaker could poke through a little more to get better sound. So I'm gonna do this to this side and then clean it up, and I'll catch you guys when I'm throwing the new one on. Both of them down, the inside and the outside, just scuffed it up a little bit so the adhesive can stick better. I cleaned it with Windex. So yeah, now we can I'm about to put this glue on. I'm about to put it around the whole outer edge and everything on the new dash pad, and then we'll glue it and click it onto the old one, and then we can be able to install it. Alright guys, the new dash is on. It is clicked over the old one. Don't worry, that tape is just there to kind of like keep the glue down. But as you can see, it turned out pretty damn good. We just got to throw it in the car now, and now the car is going to look 10 times better. This back over this way. My GoPro died, but there it is. It is in. It looks 10 times better. It looks so nice, way better than before with all the cracked fucking sun faded dash and stuff. It looks completely nice. I just got to put the bolts back in underneath and it should be all good to go. But I honestly recommend this way better than purchasing a whole new dash, because that's like $400, $300, when this is like only like $100 and you could just glue it on, put it over yourself. It literally looks, it's dusty. I mean, I gotta clean it because I just literally put it in, but it looks 10 times better. So little by little, bringing this car back to life. The interior next, I need to probably get a steering wheel because this needs to go. But yeah guys, that should be it for today. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. If you guys like the content, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys join the SS channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.